Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and I'm jumping on with a live here real quick with a quick tip. And the cat just walked up, so I might get her on screen as well. I'm holding the camera in my hand. I was getting ready to prep for my Facebook Live this week, like make the samples, and cleaning off my clear blocks, and I thought it's a perfect time to do the tip on this because I do get asked all the time how I clean my clear blocks off. So let me show you what I'm talking about. And I point this camera down. Yes. So first of all, I'm getting ready to make some cards with this stamp set. And so I mounted every single stamp, which is what I always do, unless there's one that I'm like, I probably won't use that. And then I just like them to be clean. So then I clean off my clear blocks, which let me show you real quick. Well, this is not all of them, but these are the rest of my clear blocks. I have 3 different, see how they're all written on because I don't clean them right after my classes. I have 3 different tubs right now with stamps mounted. 1, 2, 3. Team event, bingo, Stamp-A-Static. Anyway, so that's why I'm just saying these are not all my clear blocks. But first of all, I had already started this before I started the video, obviously. But I just take Stays On Cleaner, and this is black Sharpie. Where is it? Stays On Cleaner. And I rub it over here, and I let it sit for like a few seconds, but, sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. I let it sit for a few seconds, but not this long normally. It's only sat for a minute because of the video. So I wrote red on, had an alarm go off, to be able to show it on the video. So I put this on top. Now it comes off a lot faster if you just wrote it. If you wrote it a couple of days ago, give it like 10 seconds to sit. And then I take a baby wipe, which I keep in these old baby food containers that my friend gave me. You can keep it in a baggie, whatever. I just don't like to waste baby wipes. And you wipe it off. And then dry it with a paper towel if you're going to write a new color on there. And sometimes I have to go back in. Depends on how much I care, to be honest. But sometimes I have to go back in and take a little more off. Or like here, there's just a little on the edge right there. I like to have scratch paper underneath because a lot of times the Stays On, it'll drip down to the bottom. I mean, to the table, you know. So put scratch paper under. I'll redo that one a little bit. To get this excess off. But I label them for my in-person classes so that everybody stamps in the correct color and my ink pads stay not muddy. This one especially I need to hit, and it'll just take a second, so I'll just add, it'd be better if I had 2 hands so I could hold it still. But yeah, it just comes right off that excess. It's not like this stays on, Sharpie, which is right here. It's not like it does anything bad to your blocks. So, like this one's dry. So if I wanted to write whatever the color is, I just write it. No big deal. Sometimes I put my initials because I have my stamps and Landa's stamps. Hey Sue, hey Jeanne. Sometimes it's just the color. Sometimes there's extra instructions like stamp off or something. So if you do classes, it's really helpful to your customers to know what color. They can see it right away. We leave our stamps sitting like this on the table, clear block up, stamp down on scratch paper. That way they can read the words, make it easy to find or see the image and read the color. And yeah, so that's just sort of a quick class tip, but also, again, I get that question a lot. How do you clean the Sharpie off? You can also use what's it called, hand sanitizer to take it off. I just personally prefer the Stays On remover. Also, do not use rubbing alcohol. Me and many of my friends have used rubbing alcohol on our clear blocks and ruined them. It's just too powerful, I believe. Okay, let me, ooh, loud noise outside. Bring this back around. So I hope this is helpful. I'm over here on this side of the room. I'm letting you see the cleaner side. I do my lives right here next door. There's a table in front of me where I do my lives, and then this round table to my right is where I do, where I design most of the time. And then back there is where I take photos. See my light, if I can point correctly, and my little wood grains and stuff. There's a window I can open for light. this bright light there. Anyway, a little more behind the scenes and just that quick tip. So I hope it helps. See you guys later. Check out the post I made today about World Card Making Day coming up as well. See y'all Thursday, 9 a.m. Central. Bye.